Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss about the loop. Okay, so basically there is three type of loop. Okay, what is type? For loop. Okay, while loop and do while loop. Okay, so today we will see for loop. Okay, next video we will see while loop and do while. Okay, so what is the for loop? Why we are using for loop? Okay, that's what we have to know first. So basically for loop means when you want to do iteration, you want to print a number of times. Okay, suppose you want to print 1 to 10. Okay, there is two way you can print, like print 1, print 2 up to 10. Okay, like that you can print, no issue. Okay, but that is the no that is not a correct way to print. Okay, how many times? Suppose 1000 is there, you can print like that. So that's what here came for loop. So we can, with the help of for loop, we can within a single line, we can print 1 to 10 line, 1 to 10. Okay, numbers. So that's what the for loop. So generally you can, I will give a general example. Okay, suppose your wife or your girlfriend said go a supermarket. ठीक है, supermarket जाओ, आम लेके आओ. ठीक है, you went and bring आम. Again she said go supermarket, bring potato. Again you went, again you come and give to her. फिर से वो बोली go and bring orange. So while you are going 1 to 1, हमेशा एक एक करके जा रहे हो. ठीक है, रादर दैट यू कैन से हर गिव अ लिस्ट, एक लिस्ट दे दो. मैं एट अ टाइम एक बार सुपरमार्केट जाऊंगा, सारा कलेक्ट कर लूँगा, पिक कर लूँगा, एक बार में लाकर सारा वेजिटेबल्स फ्रूट्स में दे सकता हूँ. राइट, so that's what the for loop here. So in for loop, for loop. Okay, so we will see with the help of example. Okay, how it work. Okay, by using for loop. Okay, so for loop. Okay, so first of all see general syntax of for loop we will see. Okay, okay, so what is the syntax of for loop? Okay, for, first of all it will come initialization. Okay, then condition. Okay, then increment. Okay, or you can do decrement also. Okay, then open the curly bracket. Okay, so next here we have to write the code. Okay, code to be execute. Okay, execute. Okay, then close the bracket. So this is what the general syntax of for loop. Okay, here we will see with in this three line we can execute how many times we want to print a number or iteration you can do. Okay, so here we have to initialization. What we have to do initialize. Okay, so if you want to do initialize I equal to 1. Okay, suppose you want to print two tables. Okay, easily you can print, no issue. Okay, see I equal to 1 and given. Okay, initialization here done. Okay, next condition. What condition? So I is less than equal to 10. This is what the condition we have to give it. We have to print up to 10. Okay, from where? From 1. Why I am given 1? I equal to 1 I am given, so it will print 1, right? So it will print up to how many times? 10 times, because less than equal to 10 times I am given. So iteration will happen up to 10. Okay, next it will do increment. Okay, we have to do increment, that it will go after 1 by 1, right? If we printed 1, then iteration will happen, then 2, again 3, like that it will be iteration will happen up to 10. So this is what the initialization, condition and increment and decrement, anything you can do. Okay, so this is the general syntax of for loop. Okay, So we will understand with the help of example. I will take one example, okay, and I will explain now how it will work, okay. Okay, so I'm writing once again main. So I'm taking from user, okay. I'm declaring one name, okay. So take from the user, enter any number, okay. Then scanf, then it is n% of num, okay. So here we are taking from user only, okay. Print any number, okay. That's what here taking the address of that number. Then we are using for loop. For so here given what given initialization, right? Initialization. We have to do initialization. I equal to 1 I'm giving, okay. I equal to 1, okay. Then semicolon. Then again I condition we have to write. Second is first is initialization we have to done. Initialization is done. Next is condition, okay. Then condition you have to do I is less than equal to 10. I want to print up to 10 times. I want to do irritation up to 10 times. That's what I am written here. I equal to s equal to 10. Then again semicolon. Then now I want to do increment. It will increment will happen. Then it will go one by one, right? So that's what we are doing. Increment here we are doing. Okay. Then open the curly bracket. Okay. So next here we are writing the code. Okay. What do you want to do? First here I initialization here I have to give declaration. I have to do I. Okay. Comma. So now I'm taking number. I'm taking number. Okay. Into I am doing. I equal to what? 1. Number equal to take any number. I will take as a 2. Okay. Understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. So any number you can. This is what the operation here we are doing as a multiplication we are doing. Operation here doing, right? So this operation should store somewhere, right? In some container or some variable. Okay, right? So we will take a variable as a where we are going to store after multiplication happen then, okay. So declare here again update variable, okay. So now print slash I'm doing because I want to print in the next line, okay. So again print a, okay, because the operation is happening and it's storing the that variable only a. So that's why we are here printing, okay. So close the bracket. So this is what the simple program, but we have to understand the concept, okay. If you will understand, then you can play what you want to play as you wish, okay. So this is what the simple program, okay. So we will execute, okay. We will understand how it will work, how the output will come, okay, how the compiler will take, okay. So first of all it will go to the here three variable is there, okay. First number I and a, okay, correct, okay. So then we are taking number from user, enter any number, okay. Then what we are taking number in 2, okay, got it. So next the controller will come here, we will check the condition, okay. I equal to 1, okay, equal to 1, fine. Now I is less than equal to 10, I equal to what? 1. I is less than equal to 1 is less than equal to true, 1 is less than equal to true, correct. Then it will come compiler, then print here. So number equal to what? 2. 2 into 1. Then what is the 2 only, right? That is the output, right? Number. So this is what the it will work. Again it will increment will happen. Okay? Because plus plus, right? So I become 2. Correct? Understanding? So again it will check here the condition. What is now condition? I equal to 2. 2 is less than equal to 10. Yes, true. Again it will be operation will happen, okay. Then number equal to number into 2. So 2 into the output will 4, okay. Then it will become 4, okay. Okay, then again iteration will happen, increment will happen, okay. Then 2 become 3, correct. then again it will check here 3 is less than equal to 10, yes by here, then again it will go here, again multiplication will happen, okay, then 2 3 into 2 equal to, sorry, 2 into 3 equal to 6, okay, then like that it will be do iteration up to how many times, 10 times. So let's see. So now suppose, okay, so number it will become 10, okay, so I equal to 10, okay, so 10 is less than equal to 10, हाँ भाई है, ये होगा ऑपरेशन स्क्विट होगा, देन अगेन इट विल बी नंबर इक्वल टू 10, so 10 into 20, 10 into 2 equal to, it will become 20, okay, like how it will be do irritation one by one, okay, up to 10, up to here clear. Suppose again it will 20 will come, then again it will go to the I plus is there, increment will happen, so it will become 11, I will become 11, okay, so I will become 11 means again it will check the condition, okay, so let's check the condition. I equal to 11, okay, I equal to 11, 11 is less than equal to 10, is it? No, false, then it will come the loop, it will come from the loop, okay, condition here false. That's what, because we are given here up to 10 only, okay, if we will given 11 then it will print 11 up to 11 times, okay, but we are given condition up to 10 only, print up to 10 irritation I have to do, okay, that's what the for loop, okay. So yeah, I hope you got something. So in next video we will see do and while do, okay. Thank you for watching this video.